everybody, my name is HaloFan006, and today I'm going to be playing SAS4. Now I'm a new YouTuber, which no one knows about, but like I said, I'm going to be playing SAS4. Hold up. It's kind of lagging a little bit, so don't worry. Anyways, now you might be wondering, which game mode am I going to be playing? Well, I'm going to be playing multiplayer. Number one, because, well, I kind of like playing multiplayer. This is real awkward. But anyways, as you can see, I'm a pretty high level. And so, we'll be playing a multiplayer match. Let us play a quick match. Now, this will be my first video, and this will also be kind of like an introduction to the channel. But what I'm mainly going to be doing is I'm going to be playing multiplayer games, and sometimes I may do no commentary games, but that's only for the interpretation of the mind. Not only will I just be playing simple things like SAS4 and other things on the phone, but I will also be playing more complex games that are like tower defense games and all that other stuff. But anyways, enough of me talking. Let us get into the game of SAS4. Oh yeah, by the way, disclaimer. This is actually not meant for the lighthearted. I do have blood and gore activated. So yeah. This is not for the faint. Okay, so that's the end of the round. Sorry for the very little commentary that I actually did. The reason for me not doing it or talking that much was because I kind of wanted to keep it like with very little commentary at all, and I guess I just kind of wanted to keep it with no commentary for a little bit. Anyways, this is probably the only round I'm going to be playing with this episode. But I will upload again later on. And I will probably play more rounds of this. Hell, I might even do a live stream. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.